Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, today I'm going to teach you about present perfect continuous. Okay, doesn't matter what the name is, I'm going to tell you about the situation guys, as it is situational English. Guys, right now I'm drinking water. So I am drinking water. If there is a guy who is watching me, who saw me drinking water, will say that Chandan is drinking water. That's okay. It means what? The listener who is listening to that person will understand that there is a guy named Chandan, and right now the activity is being done by Chandan is what? Drinking water. He is drinking water. Simple. So this is called present continuous tense. Everybody knows about it. Why present continuous? Because action is going on right now. So this situation takes is RM. Everyone knows about it. But what is present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous doesn't matter what the name is. Let's know what the situation is. The same example I would like to give you. I am drinking water. But I started drinking water 5 minutes ago, and after 5 minutes still the person can see that I am drinking water. So 5 minutes ago the person saw me drinking water, means he saw that I started drinking, and again after 5 minutes still the person can see I am drinking water. So if the person has to reveal the time also, he wants to say that this guy started drinking 5 minutes ago, and since then the process of drinking is on, then the person has to use have been and has been as per the subjects. I, we, you, they plural have been, and third person singular he, she, it, and all the third person singular takes has been. So the person will say that Chandan has been drinking water for 5 minutes. So did you understand the difference between Chandan is drinking water and Chandan has been drinking water for 5 minutes? The difference is, if you want to reveal the time about that action, the action which took place in past, which started in past, and since then the action is going on. I should not say took place, started in past but still not finished. Started in past but still going on. There is no idea when it will stop, when it will end. Okay, so this is called your present perfect continuous guys. So you can use the example of anything, not only drinking water. You can also use, like, as you can see that here there is the laptop of mine. If somebody gives me a call right now and asks me, hey Chandan, what are you doing? Then I would say, I'm working on my laptop. So I am saying that I am working on my laptop. It shows that right now one action is going on, that is working on laptop right now. But if I have to reveal the time, if I want to say that I started working on laptop half an hour ago, and since then this action is on, then I would say that I have been working on laptop for half an hour. So I used have been. Why I'm using have been? Because I want to reveal the truth. I want to reveal that time. I want to reveal that fact that this is not the time when I am using it. I have been using it for a long time. So if this is the situation, you have to use have been and has been with verb ing and for and since. Got it guys? Just learn about the situation. Understand the situation guys. Suppose you are here at your home and you can see that some dogs are barking. Okay. After half an hour, still you can see the dogs are barking, and you have to complain to someone about those dogs. Then you have to reveal that, sir, do you understand, these dogs have been barking for half an hour. If you don't know this tense, how will you say? You have to use have been and has been. When you have to speak about this type of situation, then you have to use have been and has been. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose you are going somewhere, okay, and there is a guy. That guy always passes comments on you. Every day he passes comments on you. Okay, suppose this passing comment started 2 days ago, and still after 2 days this is going on. You have to complain to someone. Then you would say, excuse me sir, do you know this guy has been passing comments on me for 2 days. So this guy has been passing comments on me for 2 days. Okay, suppose you are in your village and some police officers are coming to the village. Okay, they came 5 days ago. Okay, again they came, again today they came. So you have to say, guys, you have to say to the people, guys, do you understand? Some police officers have been coming to the village for 5 days. Now I think you are getting the situation. The situation is, if any action started in past means in past time, yesterday, few days ago, 5 days ago, 1 year ago, and since then it started, but action did not finish. Action is still going on, still going on. Even still today you can see the person is working. Still today you can see dogs are barking. Means it is continuously going on, continuously going on. Then you have to use have been and has been. Correct, guys? This is the situation. So I have been, if I have to say that I have been making videos in my village since November. It means I started making videos in November, and since November my videos making activity is going on. So I have to say since November I have been. I have to use have been. I cannot say I am making videos. So this is the situation, guys. So it could be any sentence about you, about any person. Suppose your mother is in the kitchen. Okay, she entered the kitchen 2 hours back, and 2 hours later still she is in the kitchen. So how will you say? You have to say that my mother has been cooking food in the kitchen for 2 hours. For 2 hours. So if you are saying my mother has been cooking food for 2 hours, it implies that, okay, 2 hours ago your mother started cooking food in the kitchen and still the action is going on, the cooking food process is going on. So this is called present perfect continuous tense. Got it, guys? Okay, let's talk about since and for. Whenever you have to show the time, before time you have to use either for or since. So if you talk about since, it is used to show the point of time. What is point of time? Point of time means what? If I say, suppose I'm telling you what point of time, there is a guy, okay, the guy slapped me. He slapped me. He slapped me 1 month ago. And when he slapped me, since then, there is no conversation between me and that guy. Now I have to speak a sentence using present perfect continuous. Then I would say that I have not been talking to that person. I have not been talking to that person since he slapped me. Since he slapped me. So since, why I'm using since? Why not for? Since is used for the point of time. That point when the person slapped me, that became a point. That became a point. I just, suppose I drove a nail into that event, and since that event, I have not been talking to that person. So whenever you come across any point of time, like somebody slapped you, somebody broke your heart, somebody insulted you, somebody abused you, somebody passed away, somebody got married, somebody gave you the love letter. So that is the time, point of time, point of time, point of time. It could be Sunday, it could be Monday, it could be January, February. So maybe day's name, maybe month's name, maybe your year like 2004, 2007. That's a point, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, point. So since that point, you have been doing something. The subject has been doing something. Got it, guys? So this is since. I will come with a separate video related to for and since, but I'm just going to give you the little, information about it. If you talk about for means no point of time. For means period of time. Means what? If I have to say Sunday and if I have to say 2 days. So Sunday is the point of time. I will say I have been working here since Sunday. That is the point. 1 point, Sunday. If I have to say 2 days, this is not point, this is period. Period of 2 days. Then I will say I have been working for 2 days. So for means days in counting. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Months in counting. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Years in counting. You cannot say 2004, but you can say 5 years. You can say for 7 years, for 8 years. But you cannot say for 2004. You can say since 2004, but for 5 years. So whatever the counting comes, the period of time, that is called period of time, you have to use for. You can use for 10 minutes, for 50 seconds, okay? But you cannot say for 3 o'clock. You have to say since 3 o'clock, exact time. When there is exact time, since. When there is period of time, nothing exact, then for. Got it, guys? For many years, period of time. For many months, period of time. So this is your present perfect continuous tense. I don't know what happened to me. It's quite cold today. I'm not able to speak. Well, guys, if you talk about asking questions and replying, then in order excuse me, guys, really I'm not able to speak. In order to know the answer, either yes or no, you have to ask questions using helping verbs first. Like if I want to know something from you, then I would say that have you been? Hey, have you been working here for 5 days? Have you been working? Means have, then the subject, then been. So have you been working here for 5 days? Your answer would be yes, I have been working here for 5 days, or no, I have not been working here for 5 days. If you have to ask a question, to a person about third person, suppose I'm asking you a question, I'm the first person, you are the second person, and I'm asking about your mother. Your mother is the third person singular number. So I have to start the question with the help of has your mother been? Hey, has your mother been cooking food for 2 hours? Then your answer would be yes, my mother has been cooking food for 2 hours. Or no, my mother has not been cooking food for 2 hours. This is how to ask questions and how to reply. Okay? You can also ask question like since when? Since when have you been watching movie? So you have to answer, I have been watching movie since 5 o'clock. For how long have you been dancing here? I have been dancing here for half an hour, like this, guys. So this is all. I believe you must have understood the situation of present perfect continuous tense. Okay? Doesn't matter what the name is, situation matters. So have been, has been with verb, ing and since and for. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another episode, guys. Thank you, guys. Stay connected. Thank you.